forward, it's now time for the next award, the Best Debt Income Fund. Debt may sound boring, but can give great long-term returns. The winner of this category was a super performer in 2010. It had the best one-year returns in its category, the best three-year returns, and the biggest margin of lead amongst all the categories. I'm sure you're curious to know which company. Well, first let's take a look at the top three in this segment. The shortlists are BNP Paribas Bond Fund Regular Plan, IDFC SSI Medium Term Plan B, and SBI Dynamic Bond Fund. And the award goes to IDFC SSI Medium Term Plan B. May I request Mr. Anupam Joshi to please come on stage to receive this award. Congratulations, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Best Debt Fund Short-Term Income. Debt funds that have an average maturity period of 1 to 4.5 years were classified as short-term income funds. The top three in this category are Mr. Udyan Prabhu of Franklin Templeton to please come on stage and receive this award on behalf of Mr. Santosh Kamath, who's not been able to join us this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a little more generous and put our hands together for the awardees. It's now time for the 10th award. This is Best Debt Fund Ultra Short-Term Income. These are funds where the fund manager primarily invests in debt instruments that have a maturity of less than a year. Here goes a scan of the shortlist in this category. Birla Sun Life Floating Rate Fund, LT Institutional Plan, JM Money Manager Fund, Super Plan, and Templeton Floating Rate Income Fund, Super Institutional Plan. And the award in this category goes to Birla Sun Life Floating Rate Fund, LT Institutional Plan. May I request Mr. Manish Dangi, Head of Fixed Income at Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, to please come on stage to receive this award. Congratulations, ma'am. The next award is for the Best Debt Fund Liquid. These funds are the most ultra-short funds. They invest in treasury bills issued by the Government of India, certificates of deposit and commercial paper. You can put your money into these funds and take it out anytime after a lock-in period of just 3 days. These are almost like cash and give you a better return than a bank deposit. The top 3 in this category are the shortlists are Birla Sun Life Floating Rate Fund, ST Institutional Plan, BNP Paribas Overnight Fund Institutional Plan and Sahara Liquid Fund Variable Pricing. And the award goes to BNP Paribas Overnight Fund Institutional Plan. May I request Mr. Alok Singh, Head of Fixed Income at BNP Paribas, to please come on stage to receive this award. Heartiest congratulations to you, sir. The 12th award for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Long-Term Leader. Financial experts always tell us that investing should be for the long term and systematically for the best returns. So, in this category, funds were ranked on the basis of their 5-year systematic investment plans or SIP returns. The winner was the one that gave the best 5-year SIP return. Set your eyes on the screen as we showcase the top 3 in this category. The shortlists are ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund, IDFC Premier Equity Fund Plan A and HDFC Equity Fund. And the winner in this category is IDFC Premier Equity Fund Plan A. May I invite Ms. Poonam Sharma, Fund Manager at IDFC Mutual Fund, to please come on stage to accept this honor. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to find out the smartest fund manager. All fund managers are smart, and this award is for the smartest of them all. Well, the one whose fund gave the highest 3-year alpha, the excess return of a fund relative to the return of its benchmark index. Time to know who are the top 3 contenders in this category. Smartest fund manager, the nominees are Atul Kumar from Quantum Long-Term Equity Fund, Mr. Prashant Jain from HDFC Equity Fund and Sankaran Naren, ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund. And the awardee is Sankaran Naren, ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund. Ladies and gentlemen, can I hear a thunderous round of applause as we have on stage the smartest fund manager, Mr. Sankaran Naren. Alright, with that we move on to the next award. This is for Best Equity Fund Manager. This fund manager gives maximum risk-adjusted performance over the past 3 years amongst the diversified equity funds across all market capitalization groups. Ladies and gentlemen, we present the top 3 in this category. Mr. Atul Kumar, Quantum Long-Term Equity Fund, Mr. Nishit Dholakia, Birla Sun Life Dividend Yield Plus, and Mr. Sankaran Narain, ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund. And the award goes to Mr. Sankaran Narain once again from ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund. I think the applause needs to be thrice as much, as that's actually a hat-trick with Sir this evening. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let us shift focus to the next award, the Best Debt Fund Manager. The fixed income fund manager who gave the maximum risk-adjusted performance over the past 3 years amongst the medium-term income funds. The shortlists in this particular category are right there on the screen. The shortlists are Manish Dangi, Birla Sun Life Dynamic Bond Retail, Richa Sharma, Sahara Income Fund, and Ritesh Jain, Canara Robeco Income Fund. And the award goes to Ritesh Jain from Canara Robeco Income Fund. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the final award for this evening. The Best Asset Management Company. Indeed, the biggest prize, the biggest title. The Best Asset Management Company, the mutual fund house that has the highest share of funds with either 4-star or 5-star ratings from Value Research. Let us take a look at the top 3 contenders in this category. Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, Franklin Templeton Asset Management, and HDFC Mutual Fund. Time to find out the winner. Best Asset Management Company, HDFC Mutual Fund. May I invite Mr. Milind Barve, Managing Director of HDFC Mutual Fund, to please come on stage to collect this honor. Ladies and gentlemen, this is by far the biggest award for this evening, so let me hear the biggest round of applause. Once again, I would like to extend a humble request to all the awardees, if you can please join us on stage so that we can capture this wonderful moment.